What's up everyone, this is Team Numbers channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how you can enable and use dual WhatsApp and Messenger in Samsung Galaxy A42 or M42. So before starting video, if you are new in this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon. So let's start off video without wasting any time. So to enable dual WhatsApp and Messenger in Samsung Galaxy A42 or M42, first of all you just need to go to settings. So just open settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.